So hello everyone, myself Nikon. Uh, Today I am going to tell you about my new product. Basically it's a Python GUI and the name is keyHub. So what does keyHub do? It basically meant for having customized shortcut key for your any Chrome window or your file, your folder or anyone your Windows application. So basically, mm, I also did notification also where you will get Windows notification. So how to use it? You just need to clone my repo and just do requirement dot pip install my minus requirement dot txt, and yet all the libraries and dependencies will be added, and then just uh, do python keyhub.py, or if you are on using a platform like python or VS code, then you can just run the keyhub.py file, and then the window will open. So let me show you how it works. So this is my keyhub.py. So I will just run it. So as you can see, my keyhub.py is being window is open. So this is the main screen. So if I select on getting started, you can see my Chrome customization tab is being open by default. You may have many like all file, all folder, Windows application, Chrome customization, and about keyhub, where you can give shortcut for notification to enable the notification. If you want to know uh, if you want to know what shortcut key I am using for which, so let me tell you how it works. Suppose this is my file, right? Now I clicked on this. uh, by default I have something in my first window. So if I click on no, it will move to second. If it's empty, then it will show you the window like that, right? And you can just move forward or you can move backward. So basically I have used map in order to do update and uh, insertion in the same window, in order to uh, try something new. And if you click on view, you can see there is one already, mm, shortcut key is already present, that my resume. When I click on shift plus 0, it will open. Okay, so let's try. uh, okay, so let's try. If I do file, click on file, and I select something like my cold mail template, right? Now I open it. Now if I do shift plus 1, so it's inserted, right? Now here is the thing: when you want to run the newly added shortcut key, you just need to close the window. So I will close my application, and then also my uh, entire project is still running, because there is a dependency which I will tell you afterward. Now I know the Windows shortcut key for the notification is Shift plus M. So you can see my it came that Shift plus 1 cold mail template, right? Okay, so it's Shift plus 1. So I will do Shift plus 1, and see my cold mail template has opened, right? As you can see. Similarly, now I will just do escape twice, and I will restart my application. You can now see here if I select any PowerPoint or Notepad, let's say Notepad, all plus 1. Okay, all plus 0. Let's do this. Okay, so you can see my record is being inserted, and it is also showing that all plus 0, right? Now, if I close the window and I type uh, shift plus W, it will show me that my notepad all plus 0 is being notification has been given. Now I will just select the shortcut key, and you can see my default notepad has been opened, right? Now to open my app, my dependency is still running on, so I will just do escape, and now I will restart my app. Now here, uh, as I told you about the Chrome customization, right? So let's say I want to open linkedin.com, and I also want to open Twitter. And if I do chiplet 4, right? It being recorded. Now I will just close the window and I will do chiplet 4. So you can see my LinkedIn and Twitter had been open. So yeah, you can see my LinkedIn, my Twitter is open, and if I close it, my LinkedIn also open. So yeah, and now if I do escape, and I will restart in okay. So Windows app done, Chrome done, files also I showed you. Now only for folder. Like if you are working on a particular folder, let's say I want to I use GitHub folder a lot. So I will just select it, and if I do Control plus 1, but you can see that I have already used Control plus 0. So it will give me an error saying that shortcut key already exists. Choose a different one. So basically I will just do another one. Let's say Control plus 2, right? Now it is open. Yeah. Now I will just close the window and I will do Control plus 2. So you can see my GitHub folder open. But here is the thing. Now this is only for the new one. Suppose my window is open and I want to open the GitHub folder again. So I can just do Control plus 0 and then it will open. Okay, so Control plus 0 was for the Chrome customization. Okay, I forgot. Okay, so it was, I guess, I don't remember. So I will do Shift plus W. No, it was Shift plus F. Yeah. So you can see it is Control plus 2. Yeah, so I will just do Control plus 2 and you can see my folder open. So this way you can save your time rather than finding where the file or folder, or if you want to type anything which you are already using in your daily life, day-to-day life, then you can do that. And yeah, suppose I want to close this window, so I can just press escape uh, in order to close the window. And if I want to close the entire project, then I can do escape twice and it will get closed. So you can see how it is easy to customize your shortcut key. So uh, do